Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Hakaway ka Jingjia ka pinkan mau piang ye ka Jingsha Pynïap u Raja Raghuvanshi ha parking lot ka kshait way saudong house nam araja arpasan way nong khaye yeng bat jaka kiten Agarwal arpan res nam garta na Pune lakin no baula sha ingat syariat da ka Jingjia so boit ha pedeng ka brio ka baula ite ektien badu ba iye jong ka de ka brio ki pulet ha ka arpulai tri ujilio araja arpan rio ki lakem ye ka sia goyel badi uchitan Babulal Chowdhury arpa arts nam garta halor ka Jingjia no bagila don ktiban Pynïap yo kiten Agarwal u director jong company khai jaka bat yeng ko la Pynïap da ka long yeng jong ki u kani ka Jingjia ka la ja ha ka khat phradre ujilio arja arpan rio hallo ha gat fort ka badan hajan Pune pat kat kum gji thu jong ki pulet ukiten ulat le tracking ba ka sia man rakhe ka si kha jong ka kini arwar ki la thmu bani tho shong kurim ha ubnai nai weng arja arpan rio ba ki long yeng ki la dap ru ban pen khre ka jing khwai shong kurim ka he bha ha ka wi ka palace ha Rajasthan ha ka bala dap ban wai ha ka dwar ka pat khat nuclear bala pen khre ru iki leng sun shimet na ka ban ta ki nong wan ni shim ban ta ha ka bening kong ka siya kalakam ba ukitan ula hap hi ha ka po ba shonder namar kal air ka bjur bola hap kumba south pa phut shariat hadin ka jingile ka balai kan ta la lap e ka met jong u bala register e ka mukadduma kum ka Jingjia accident Henry us superintendent of police ka Pune rural Sandeep Singh Gill ulo ang ba ka jing toket ka babnya kelas dang hadir bala don ki benta ki bapin suba Kajing toket kalapin pa ba kasiya kadon kajing i samla ba uchitan makini anwar kilayu iyo kitan kum ujingwet halinti jong kajing day jong ki kipulit kilo ang ba kasiya kala yalam yo kitan chalohagat fort ba uchitan ulawan hangta ba kilang ngat iu syakariat da kajing thmun penwan dur kum Jingjia accident kani Jingjia kala pin kan mau biang ye kamukot duma kala pin ki wen ye kri India bro ka way than sora ha ka ba u Raja Raghuvanshi na indoor ula sha ka do Pynïap ha ka jaka jmo kai ka bahajan way saudong da ka kurim jong o ka Sonam Raghuvanshi but laingut kinong Pynïap bala siu pisado samla jongka Raj Singh Kushwaha wala kini artli kamukot duma ki Ïasyriem ha ka daw jong ka jing Pynïap Henry ka rukam le ya ka kam Pynïap ka pher shibon ha ka mukot duma jing sha Pynïap u Raja ka jing Pynïap ka laja tang hadin kat tu kat ngisngi beladap ka jing tho shong kurim jong u mat ka Sonam kat kum ka jing toket ka Sonam ba u Raj Singh Kushwaha kila siu ya laingut kinong Pynïap na Madhya Pradesh ban Pynïap yo Raja diki white hajan way saudong bat ban bread ya ka medyap jong u syakariat ka bakinja Kaba Pune pat ka Jingjia kala ja shwa ka jing tho shong kurim ha ka ba ka sia ba ukitan gidan ha pedeng ka jinglet kai shwa ban ye tho ba ka jingyat kai ha ka ni ka sngi la penan kam kum ka buit ban pendap ya ka jing thmu Pynïap ka Sonam kala pen I ba kala ja rangai ba kala phet cha Uttar Pradesh kala pen long ki bor pulet ka jila Meghalaya ban wat ha bon tali ki jila ka ba ha Pune pat namar ba ha lo ha gat fort ka de ka jaka jngo kai ka bon brio ba ka jingyo kem ba ka jinglap ya ka jing shisha kala long ka bakloi
The boy named Ketan Agarwal, 18th before Ketan Agarwal and Sylla Goel reached the fort. This Chetan Chaudhary was himself present at the fort itself, and when they went upstairs, he went after them, and they together pushed him. On 16th of June 2026, at Lohgarh Fort in the jurisdiction of Lonavala Rural Police Station, an accidental death case was registered under AD number 36/2026 under section BNSS 194, where it was reported that a would-be couple who had got engaged in February 2026, Sylla Goel and Ketan Agarwal, they had gone for trekking on the fort, and that the boy Ketan Agarwal had fell down after slipping away from one of the edge walls of the fort, and the girl Sylla Goel herself reported it to the family of the deceased, and that time police also reached there, and the family also reached. His body was extracted from the valley, and then after post-mortem and all, it was handed over to the family. Registration of the AD and certain information provided by the family and the friends of the deceased brought some pictures, suspicious pictures in front of us, which were further investigated, and it transpired that Kyrwoh was in relationship with a boy named Chetan Chaudhary, who used to work in the same area and market yard in Pune city where that girl and her family had the business. So, in the further investigation through the confidential sources and technical analysis of the phone calls made and the CCTVs, the presence of Chetan Chaudhary was found at the fort itself, and it was clear. And after in the further interview and interrogation of the suspects, they admitted that they had conspired together to kill the boy named Ketan Agarwal. So on 18th, before Ketan Agarwal and Kyrwoh reached the fort, this Chetan Chaudhary was himself present at the fort itself, and when they went upstairs, he went after them, and they together pushed him down the fort, which caused his death.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya